Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for all your needs. Today, we have something truly essential for automotive enthusiasts: the 115 PCS Vacuum Connector Assortment Kit. If you're looking for the best tubing connector for your vehicle, this kit is exactly what you need. This connector assortment is made of high-quality nylon, known for its heat resistance up to 240, which ensures durability and longevity even under the most demanding conditions. The set includes 12 different sizes, giving you the versatility to handle a variety of automotive vacuum hose connections. Whether you're working with straight connectors, T-connectors, or reducer connectors, this kit has got you covered. You get 5 straight connectors, 5 T-connectors, and 2 reducer connectors, making it a comprehensive solution for your needs. One of the standout features of this kit is its convenience. All the connectors come neatly packed in separate transparent bags, making it easy to organize and find the exact size you need. No more fumbling through a pile of random connectors. Everything is in its place, ready for quick use. This set is perfect for automotive repairs, whether you're fixing wiper washer hoses or extending vacuum lines. The 115 pieces in this kit are ideal for various automotive tasks, from small fixes to more complex repairs. The nylon material ensures that these connectors are tough and can withstand the high temperatures and pressures common in automotive environments. It's also great for both DIY mechanics and professional repair work, offering reliability and ease of use. If you're tired of searching for the right connector every time you work on your vehicle, this assortment kit will save you time and frustration. With the different sizes included, you can confidently tackle different tasks without worrying about missing a specific connector. Whether you're working on your own car or helping out with a friend's vehicle, this kit is a must-have in any garage. In conclusion, the 115 PCS Vacuum Connector Assortment Kit is one of the best tubing connectors available. With its heat resistance, variety of sizes, and easy organization, it's an excellent investment for anyone who works with automotive vacuum systems. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on this product. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.